Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to more NFT education. Today, we got another project, and this project is gonna be for my people interested in investing and making money off of NFTs, right? And that is the Inventor Club NFT, right? And so we're gonna break down this whole collection. They've got an application to mint, right? Because what that sounds like originally is that maybe not everybody can mint, right? But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. All right, now 9,200 famous inventor NFTs. I wonder if these are actual inventors. Oh yeah, here we go. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Ben Franklin, Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, and more, okay? Investments in AI, biotech, sustainable agriculture, all right? Now, let's talk about the story. In pursuit of greater prosperity, Earth's chief simulation officer created 9,200 famous inventors responsible for making the world a better place. Only these inventors have the courage, creativity, and grit to turn their ideas into inventions. A sense of purpose is everywhere in our Discord. The Inventors Club is a collection of 9,200 AI-generated collectibles enhancing the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so we're gonna look at this white paper. We're gonna look it over. A lot of long papers, white papers are long, but let me tell you something. First of all, I do want to say that not every single one of the NFT collections that I covered did sell out or did even have success, but a lot of them did, right? So one thing I'm noticing is if you go through the process, if you have this much information, right? A lot of the times we review these projects and they don't have this much information. They don't have these elaborate white papers. They don't have it as well planned out. So this is a sign that this club, this project, this team is legit, all right? So we're gonna let you read that on your own if you wanna go read that white paper, all right? But let's talk about the roadmap because that's the strength of any NFT, the strength or weakness, all right? The pre-mint launch, all right? Community building, hype generation, Facebook ads, giveaway, YouTube sponsorships, banner ads on crypto sites, performance crypto marketing agency, crystallizing long-term vision, top-tier team building, all right? So at 25% mint, Ethereum is given away to community members. Free NFTs given to community. So what it looks like is that this is about inventors, but I see the word invest in here a lot. So this looks like this is one of those projects that's gonna be solely based on putting the money back into the community, which is 100% I'm all for, right? So at 50%, 10 Ethereum is given to the community, marketing launch phase 2. 75%, 30 Ethereum given to community, 10K or more invested into a startup of the community's choosing. And then 90% ETH held up for marketing, ETH invested into more startups, creation of next project, purchasing NFT media assets, okay? And then the mission begins, right? Creation of DAO from royalties. We've talked about DAO, but if you've never seen one of those videos where we talked about that, DAO is basically just a for the people, by the people community that there's not one person at the top dictating or making rules for, all right? So that's that. Then you got companion NFT project release, marketing push 2 begins, and then 2022 and beyond, creating a vertically integrated Web3 ecosystem, buying media assets, one new NFT project a month, taking equity in our other NFT project, profit reinvested in hiring top talent, new NFTs, a marketplace, and next level marketing, and redistributing reward to community. So we're starting to see that a lot, okay? Now let's look at their featured collection. All right, pretty cool artwork. I personally would want one of those Albert Einsteins myself. Now let's talk about the utility because this is the most important part of any NFT is what it does, right? So utility, contributing to humanity's progress, 9,200 inventors with 23 base characters, 38 backgrounds, 33 clothing items, 30 different inventions, and 10 skin colors, all right? Investments into seed round artificial intelligence, sustainable agriculture, biotechnology companies in 2022. Our community will research and vote on which companies to invest in. These startups will be put in a holding company and our community will receive access, right? So this is for my people who are really trying to get into a real investing community, right? 100K gifted to holders at sellout. That's huge. Private mastermind with big names in entrepreneurship, crypto, and startup world, all right? Buying media assets, taking equity in other projects, releasing NFT software, and creating a vertically integrated ecosystem of Web3 and NFT projects, and redistributing rewards to the community, right? So here's the team, okay? And here's some good artwork, all right? Now, let's go look at their Twitter because we're gonna do our famous Twitter checks. And honestly, I think Twitter is tripping right now. So what they're doing, I think, with this project overall is just building like real world value for NFT entrepreneurs, right? Like they have business coaching twice a week. They just gave away $1,000 in a pitch contest that they hosted. They're investing in the startups in the community, which once again, if you're somebody, it doesn't necessarily have to be an NFT, but if you're into, you know, if you have a startup or you have an idea, right? This is going to be a project that you should get a hold of, right? This doesn't look like a cash grab because a lot of their things kind of just go back into the community, and in order for it to work, it has to go back into the community. So that's pretty huge. It looks like they have a long-term perspective that they're planning to do this project on, which is something that I always tell people. Big misconception about NFTs, just period, is that you can get in and get out, like, you know, and sometimes that's the case. There's rare cases that you can do that, but just like stocks or anything else, when you're investing anything, you got to think of it in the long term. So that's pretty much that, man. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comments. I'm going to have all their links in the description, man. Love y'all. Let's get it.